If you've tried the Temu FREE Gift before and it didn't really work, you're probably using an old method, because the way this system works in 2026 is slightly different now, and there's a newer approach that's working more consistently. So in this video, I'll show you the updated Temu FREE Gift method and how to use it the right way. Before we go further, the latest working Temu FREE Gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. What changed in 2026? Let's start here. Temu FREE Gift still works, but not the same way as before. Earlier, open app, enter code. Wait, now it depends more on how you enter the system and how you interact with it. That's why older methods don't feel reliable anymore. Why most people still fail. Here's the issue. Most users open Temu normally, start browsing, then try applying a code, but by that point, they're already outside the system and nothing really happens. The key shift. The system now responds more to entry behavior than just code usage. So if you enter the wrong way, you stay in normal shopping mode, and the free gift system may not appear at all. Part 2. The new working method. Here's what's working right now. Step 1. Enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift campaign. Step 2. Activate the session. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is aligned with the system. Step 3 is open Temu. After that, open the app. You should now see free gift event, reward interface, item selection. If not, try again once. Step 4, enter the code. Now apply the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current promotion. Step 5, follow the flow. Now just follow what Temu shows: offers, tasks, event steps. This is how progress unlocks what to expect. Let's keep it real, works more consistently with this method. System becomes visible faster, rewards are possible, not instant completion. Some effort is required, results can vary. Final takeaway. If Temu FREE Gift didn't work for you before, it wasn't just bad luck, it was the method. Use the updated approach, enter the system correctly, and it starts working the way it's supposed to. Try this now and comment what happened. Did it finally work for you?